Hey, I'm Johannes. Welcome in Flying Shapes. If this is the first time inside the application, follow me around. I'll put on my headset to show you what to expect. When you look around, you see your working space. There's nothing in here to distract you. You only have your controllers to work with, but they are your professional tools inside this software. Bring up your controllers in front of your face. You see that there are a number of controls. There's the trigger button here that I can press with my index finger, and when I do so, it's like a left click in a classic desktop application. Clicking sets CVs for this tool. Keeping it pressed terminates the surface creation. There's the blue button here that grips the entire scene or objects when you hover them. Hovering is when you bring this tooltip over or close to objects. There are a few buttons on top of the controller. I'll very briefly go through them. There are dedicated tutorial videos for every function. And when you press your joystick, you can open the menu at any time. Pressing it again closes it. It'll always show up next to your controller. Moving it up and down scales, for example, your selection sphere. Moving it to the left and the right is undo and redo. The mode button changes tool modes, and the select button here allows you to select objects in your scene. That's it for the basic concept. I recommend that you watch the tutorial videos that show you in detail how to use every single tool and functionality of Flying Shapes. To get you started, whenever you turn your controller, there is a short introduction video that shows you how to work with at least the tools. But still, I recommend you follow this link because it leads you to the YouTube playlist of our tutorials, so you can go through all the functions one after the other and try them out directly in Flying Shapes. Thanks for your attention. I hope you enjoy the experience and you get productive very soon.